Hello students, now we are seeing the fourth exercise in our third lesson. Okay, it is very easy. So listen now. Replace the noun with the personal pronoun on. And a. Replace the noun with the personal pronoun on. Okay. Remplacer le nombre avec le pronom personnel en. So how we can use that is pronoun personal en. Okay, when we have to use this pronoun en. In a sentence, whenever you find a noun that is placed after de, or the sentence whenever you are finding this noun, it is placed after the contracted articles, that is du, or a noun dela, del apostrophe after then a noun des, the noun, or indefinite articles, that is an, un a noun, une noun, or sometimes we will talk about the numbers. So quantity we are talking done a noun, that is for example 4 books or 8 chocolate, like this. When we are talking about the quantity or numbers, we have to, even in that case, we have to replace the pronoun noun plus n. Expressions of quantity of the noun: a lot of sugars, like this, the quantities. So it is mentioned in the quantities, then it is the noun. Okay, so this the way we are replacing the pronoun using this word than a noun. Okay, even in that case, the noun is replaced by the pronoun en. Whenever you are find this or the things in this noun, it is all the things is replaced by the pronoun en. Remember this. This is the clue for you. Okay, this are the word is in the sentence. You have to replace this word. Instead of this word, you have to replace en. Okay, that you remember. So you mug up it. You want, you mug up it. Okay. So if we are seeing the exercise, you can easy to understand better. First one, see, concentrate and listen. Okay. Professor Laurent connaît 4 universités en France. Professor Laurent connaît 4 universités en France. That is, Professor Laurent knows 4 universities in France. How many universities is mentioned there? 4 university. Here the noun is university. They are also mentioned the number. That is, see here, number of then a noun. Number then a noun. Like this, here it is the 4 is the number and noun is the university. So you have to replace this. University you have to replace by the pronoun en. Number will be repeated as it is. Okay. Professor Laurent connaît 4 universités en France. Professor Laurent knows 4 universities in France. Instead of repeating this noun, okay, again, instead of repeating this, you have to use the pronoun. Okay, Mr. That is Professor Laurent knows 4 of them. So en is be placed there. Instead of saying university like this, repeating the same things in the answer also, instead of that you can use pronoun en. University is replaced as pronoun en. That you remember. After the number, the noun will be present. Instead of that, now we are replacing. Professor Laurent knows 4 of them in France. Replace the noun university. So don't repeat again noun in the answer. Instead of that, we are using pronoun. So we are talking about the 4 quantities. So 4 university. So number you have to write. Noun no need to write again, replacing as pronoun en. Second sentence. Elle ne veut pas de chocolat. She does not want any chocolate. So in this list I given the de, then noun. So in the sentence you have to see where de. So after de, chocolate show is the noun. So this chocolate show is replaced by the pronoun en. She does not want any chocolate or chocolate. Okay. She does not want any of the chocolates. That is, that chocolate is replaced as noun. Pronoun en. So how will the chancer is changed? That noun is replaced as pronoun en. Okay. Where is the noun? You have to check in the list and remember. First sentence, after the number, the noun will be present. Okay. Here also the noun is present after de. I already given the list after what word it will be. Third sentence. Je vais préparer une omelette. I going to prepare an omelette for you. Une, how many omelette? Une omelette. That is one omelette. That is une is represent for number. So again, in the list nombre, then a noun. Noun. So after the number, the next word is noun. You have to identify. Then university, see the first sentence. In university, we are replacing pronoun. Same way, here also, omelette you have to replace as the pronoun en. Number you have to write as it is. Number 4 we written as it is. The same way, the third sentence, win is repeat. Okay. One is repeated. Okay. But the noun omelette will be replaced by the pronoun en. So when you are seeing the video, please see carefully. Fourth one. Sarita achète beaucoup de romans français. Sarita is to buy many French novels. Noun is after the word the. And see the expressions of quantity. Beaucoup. Beaucoup means so much. Lot. Expressions the quantity after the noun. So I given the list in the last one. Okay. The pronoun en express the quantity. So here beaucoup is expressing the quantity. Lot of. Many, like this. So many French novels. So here noun is the French novels. Is the noun. Replaced by the pronoun en. Along with the noun, even with de also repeated. Is not be repeated because beaucoup is mentioned there. If beaucoup is not there, de will be repeated. But beaucoup is there, so de is not repeated. See the second sentence, de is not repeated there also. Okay. Same way, fourth sentence, after the beaucoup, de, then noun. So de and noun replaced by the pronoun en. That expressions of the quantity beaucoup you have to write as it is. So answer, Sarita en achète beaucoup. Sarita is by lot or lot, many or lot. Okay, fifth sentence. La fillette a bu tout the jus d'orange. The little girl drank too much of orange juice. So the little girl drank too much of orange juice. See here, expression of too much. So you can easily identify the noun here. Okay, after topu, replace this de and juice the orange. So expressions of the quantity like beaucoup, we written repeated. Same way, topu also repeated. Okay. A little girl drank too much of orange juice. It became little girl drank too much of it. So that noun orange juice is replaced by the pronoun en. So this is, see here, It is very easy, and you must see the video 2 or 3 times, then easy for you to understand. Okay, thank you, ma.